So today I will tell you the side effects of this medicine. I'm your pharmacist Dr. Abdul Rafi and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Reltus and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredients are ammonium chloride, chlorpheniramine maleate and phenylephrine hydrochloride. It is a 120 ml cough expectorant syrup and its manufacturer is Pharmatech. It is used to treat dry cough and especially those coughs which are caused by common cold, bronchitis and other illnesses. So now let's discuss its side effects. It can cause nausea, which is the feeling of vomiting. It upsets our stomach. It can also cause sleepiness, high blood pressure, which is very dangerous, insomnia, which is the loss of sleep. The patient can't sleep, and palpitations, dizziness, headache. Headache is the pain in the head. Drowsiness, which means that you feel a little drowsy and sleepy. Vomiting, and it can also cause diarrhea. It can also cause dry mouth and also causes loss of appetite and constipation. So these were the side effects, as it is a cough expectorant, so it doesn't have too much side effects, but the side effects here are very dangerous if you misuse it or use a lot of quantity of this medicine and overdose it or self-medicate yourself. Then you will have a lot of side effects and you will feel all of them. If you take in the right dose and on the right time and do not self-medicate, these side effects won't occur, and if occur they will be very less, that you won't feel about it that you have side effects. But if you self-medicate yourself, these side effects will be a lot more. So that's what today. And for more details about this medicine and its drug interactions, whether it is good for you or not, and whether we should use in breastfeeding or in pregnancy, so for all of this you should consult your pharmacist for this, and do not use it without consulting your physician. Okay, I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdul Rafi and your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.